welcome back to the channel. So today's video is in collaboration with this company right here. I just want to give a shout out to all my subscribers, but first I want to say thank you. This is the name of the company. This is how you spell it, and I will have all of the information in the description box. So let's just jump right in. I live in the state of Florida, and for those of you who have watched me for a while, especially in the warmer months, I'm going to say everything except probably November and December. You hear me say all the time, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Like right now, I can tell you, it's hot. Yes, I have an AC unit, but with the size of the house, I'm not trying to cool 2/3 or half of a house when it's just 1 or 2 people sitting here. So the item that they sent me is perfect for me, and it can be perfect for you too. So what they sent me out was a portable air conditioning unit. This is the box that it came in. We have already taken it out the box, checked it out. It has remote control. Of course, it has a manual. I'm going to walk you through some of that. And I'm just excited because now I can AC a single space and don't have to cool the whole house and waste all that electricity. What do you need? You need electricity and you need a window. That's right. You need electricity and you need a window for this to work. And with that, let's jump into it. So here's what it looks like out of the box. This is the front of the unit. In a minute, I'll show you the reverse side of the unit as well. I'm going to share just some of the features with you. I will demonstrate it, but make sure you check the description box for this video for all the information that you'll need to order one for yourself. This is the 10,000 BTU for large rooms up to 450 square feet. It's the smart AC with the window kit. Inside the box was, of course, the portable AC manual. It has the batteries for the remote control. You can see the extended service paperwork as well. And also in the box, along with the AC unit, it came with the drain pipe. So I have relocated this unit inside of one of my guest bedrooms, and I am simply attaching the drain pipe. I'm then going to attach it to what I call the window slider. It's the device that you attach the drain pipe to position it in your window, and then I will plug it in and demonstrate it. So I'm simply just pushing up my window in order for me to put the drain pipe in the window so that the condensation or the excess water will be able to escape the room. The portion that I'm doing right now is actually the installation, and as you can see, it's pretty easy. You just attach the drain pipe and then you fix it within the window using the window slide set. Slide the window down and you're ready for operation. What I'm going to do now is show you some of the features on the control panel. And I just want to say up front that this is actually a 3-in-1. It is an AC unit, so it cools. It is a dehumidifier, and it is also a 2-speed fan. What I'm showing you now is the LED control panel. It has the power button, off on button, and it has the different modes, and it also has the up and down arrows in order to toggle from one temperature to the next, and it is very user friendly, so you can actually change it on the control panel or with the remote control. And as you can see, I am using the remote control. Right now I'm demonstrating the timer. You can program a time from 1 hour to 24 hours for the air conditioner to turn off or on, and it can have a time delay if you program it. The timer will illuminate, or the light will come on when it is activated, as you can see in this demonstration. So I'm just using the remote control, as I said, to show you ease of use for this device. I want you to go ahead and expand the description box while you are watching this video. It will give you all of the information there in the description box so that you too can click the link and order this device or this product today. To show you a little bit more of the functionality, I was just on cool, or the AC portion. It's now on the humidifier, and now I just clicked on the fan. This fan has 2 speeds, high and low. To the left of the 84 degrees, you can see that the low is illuminated. Yes, the timer is still illuminated. I can cut that off if I want, but the low is illuminated, so that is what I'm using right now. I now want to briefly cover or show you the rear of the device. Up to the top, it does have an easy to carry handle, although I just pushed it in the room on the wheels. I'm showing you the cable that is turned in, or plugged in, excuse me. You can see that that is the continuous drainage hole that I am opening right there. The vents on the back are the condenser filter, and it is also the air exhaust vent. In the front, you can see that I'm back down to the LED control panel. This AC portable air conditioner is definitely something that you want to invest in if you have a small space that you just want to cool individually, or if you have a larger home but you do not want to cool an entire home when you're only occupying a small space. Again, this is a 3-in-1. It is a portable AC unit, it is a fan, and it is a dehumidifier. Go ahead and click that description box. Click it right now so you can see how you too can order this product for yourself as well. I mentioned earlier in this video that the device had the instruction manual, and now I'm showing it to you right now. It's pretty simple to configure or install, very user-friendly, but in the event that you do need a manual, it will be in the box. So all you have to do is refer to the brochure. Here's the quick installation guide so you can easily see how to use the drain pipe, how to attach it to the slider window slide set. It shows you the remote control, and again, it already has the batteries. But one thing I wanted to point out is that you can install the slider kit horizontally in the window, or it also can be installed vertically. That is a great feature. I want to say thank you for watching this video, and again, if you are not one of my subscribers, please click the subscribe button, click your notification bell so you too will be notified each time I upload a video. This is Freddie. I am Freddie King's Home Decor, and I don't know what you're gonna do, but I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the cool air produced by this portable 3-in-1 AC unit, dehumidifier, and 2-speed fan. Thanks again for watching.